Hey guys, my name is Sham and today I'm going to share 5 best tips to impress a girl. And for that you don't have to worry about anything because I'm going to let you know, I'm going to tell you these 5 important things that will really help you and that will make you a love guru. Alright? So guys, the first thing that you have to keep in mind is that first, respect for anyone. I'm not just simply talking about the women, I'm talking about anyone. Because if you do not believe in respecting women or anyone, you can't expect the same respect in return as well. Alright? So 5 basic things that you should keep in mind is that if you see any girl, any woman, anywhere, have a glance, look at her once, twice or maximum thrice. Simply to grab the attention and to let her know that yes, you have paid your attention to her. Now do not stare too much because that will really make her uncomfortable. That will make her uncomfortable and that will and that can also scare her as well. So once you have got the attention of any girl, go straightforwardly to her, say hi, introduce your first name only, that's it. For example, once you have got the attention, simply go straightforwardly to her, alright, and say hi, my name is Sham. Now if she doesn't reply anything, no worry, you again try twice, again try thrice. If she has not interest in you, no problem, simply say I'm sorry to bother you and just move from there. But if you have really liked that girl, come another day, alright, and again introduce, again say hi to her, nothing else. I'm sure once you say twice or thrice, once you meet twice or thrice or 4 times, 5 times, she will start feeling comfortable with you. Because see, understand the psychology behind this, guys. A girl or a woman, they want to be comfortable with anyone before they start speaking, before they start interacting. So first thing that you have to do and that you have to keep in mind is that once you interact with any woman, once you say hi, make them feel good, alright? And for that you don't have to boast a lot about yourself. Do not tell your title, no, not at all. Just the first name by simply saying hi. And for this, the best thing is that approach with confidence. Because if you are not confident enough in yourself, obviously you won't be able to get her confidence. This is quite the common psychology, guys. Alright, so in order to get her, in order to take her in confidence, you have to be confident enough. Once you approach the girl, talk on simple things. Do not start boasting about yourself. I'm this, I'm that, I do this, I do that. No, not at all. Alright, if you have watched the Hindi movie Ghajini, you will see that the actor never boasted himself about that I'm this and that. Not at all. Simply talk on simple things. Alright, believe in amusing her by throwing some jokes, and once if you find that she's taking even 1% interest in you, ask about herself. Do not tell about yourself, do not boast of yourself, ask about herself. Alright, and once she says about herself, appreciate her positively. Say that she is really beautiful, her hairstyle is beautiful, okay. And anything that she tells, just appreciate positively. Alright, do not be over smart, because let me tell you, if you are smart, she may be smarter than you. You don't know, but the best thing is that be on the same platform, talk on simple things, interact, throw some small jokes, try to make her amuse, because The one and only one thing that you have to do is simply to make her comfortable with you. This is the only task that you have to do. Once you do this, she is yours. She will start, means she's yours. She will start taking interest in you, and she will really try to be with you. So one and only one thing that you have to keep in mind is that, but grabbing the attention, go to her, talk to her by simply introducing your first name and simply try to make her comfortable with you. Once she is comfortable, she will really start taking interest in you. Doesn't mean whether you are a company's employee or company's CEO, or you have car or bike, or you are a bicycler. No, it never matters. What matters for a woman is that whether you really care her or not, whether you really appreciate her or not, whether she is comfortable with you or not, because these are the things that really works, and these are the only things that works in order to impress a girl, in order to impress a woman. Meanwhile, while talking, all right, if she is not impressed, if she is in between, if she is in pipeline, offer her for a cup of coffee, dinner, lunch, snacks and all. If she denies, simply say sorry for that, all right, and simply go on the small talks and keep talking. See, if you are strong enough, you will respect not her but also her opinions, thoughts as well. What she says, you have to respect as well. You have to respect that as well. Do not only think about yourself. So if whether she has said no to you or she has yes to you, keep in mind one thing, that start meeting her frequently but for a short span of time. You cannot expect her to be with you for a long time, because if she is not comfortable, she will never be with you for a long time. So the best thing is that even if you meet next time, say hi, how are you doing today, where are you going, these all things, and then move from there, because everything takes time. This is the rule of the nature, that everything takes time, all right. But if you are persistent, if you are determined, then she is really going to be with you very soon. So whenever you see a girl, simply grab the attention by looking at her twice, thrice, but not for a long time, because if you are gazing or if you are staring at girl for a long time, that really makes her uncomfortable. So maybe that after that she will not talk to you, or she will scare to talk to you. So once you grab the attention of a girl, simply go to her and introduce yourself. Hi, my name is XYZ. Do not ask her name. And even if you have asked her name and she says no, say it's okay, no problem. And then tell anything indirectly, that I just came here to meet my friend, or my maternal uncle stays here, or my father's some business was here. Tell her that you are not a person who simply rambles on the road, wanders on the road. Wander on the road. You are a person who believe in working. So whenever you introduce yourself, say indirectly that you came for some important job here, right? So that she can understand that, oh my God, he's really a right kind of person, he's really a good kind of person. He was not simply wasting her time and looking, because see, even the girls, they know that that there are so many boys who simply stand on the road in the groups, or in the in the field, in the park, and they stare on the girls on day by day. Do not talk all, because they already know that. So tell her about that you are there for some right kind of job, and in between you met her. And even if you have started to talk to her, all right, it should be your time to say bye to her, not she. Because if you say bye from your end, she will come to know that, oh my god, he is really a right kind of person and he is so busy that he doesn't have time. So that this fact will make her comfortable next time, and next time she will really wait for you if you say that you are going there, or you will be there and you will be waiting there to her to meet. Do not talk only in your favor. Do not expect too much from her in the beginning. One thing that you have to keep in mind, that give her space, you care her, be simple, straightforward, and simply talk to the point. So I'm just summarizing all the 5 points. First, whenever you see a girl, do not stare, do not gaze. By grabbing the attention, approach with confidence. Number 2, when you approach the girl, simply introduce your name with first name only and talk on the simple things. Do not boast about yourself. Number 3, ask about her a lot, and once she started to replies, or once she anything, and it doesn't mean that you should praise anything or that what she says. Okay. Number 3, ask about herself, and if she replies, then it is good, and if she doesn't reply, then simply take that situation positively. For further relationship, offer a cup of coffee, tea, snacks, dinner, lunch somewhere, to the public places, not in a standard place, not at all. All right. And the 5th thing is that try to meet her on a regular basis, but for a short span of time, so that will, and care her, not too much but a little bit in the beginning, because everything takes time. All right, so now here 5 important things that you have to keep in mind. First thing, do not stare at her for a long time. If you are confident about yourself, if you really care her, if you respect the dignity of a woman, simply go to her and say, my name is this and I just want to talk to you. Number 2, do not stalk, do not follow her, because that really stigmatizes your personality. Because following her and simply stalking her, it's a social evil, and that is not considered good in no sense. That will land you in jail, or maybe that she will never ever like you, or she will never ever take interest in you if you do this thing. Number 3, do not boast of yourself. No, never. If you really care the girl, the woman, simply go to her, talk to her. If she says yes, then go further. If she says no, say sorry. Yes, if you are strong enough, then a strong man has no problem in saying sorry, because if he really cares the dignity of a woman, the opinion of a woman, he will really says, sorry ma'am, sorry. He will not be arrogant on that, not at all. Because women and the girls, they like those sort of people who really care them, their dignity, and they respect them. They respect them really. So these three things always keep in mind. Do not stalk, do not follow, do not boast of yourself, do not stare at her for long time. Because if you have these things, you will be considered a morally ill person, a blockheaded person, a coward. Yes, you will be considered as a coward. Because if you really want something, you have to take initiative, you have to approach. All right, you can't simply sit idle and you can just expect everything. No, not at all. And yes, meanwhile, the one and only, and the very important thing is that patience. You must have a great patience while interacting the girl, talking to her and meeting her on a day basis, time to time, frequently, to convince her. All right. So if you really think that all these, all right guys, so if you think that all these points and tips will really help you, all right, to impress a girl, then please like, share, comment. All right, anything, if you have anything good or bad in mind, then please comment in the comment box. If you really like this video, even single percent, then give a thumbs up, or simply, I don't have to say that, all right, but please try appreciating the people, the efforts, the thought, and please share among your friends so that you can work as a social person. All right, because spreading the knowledge, the good knowledge, the positive knowledge is never bad. Thank you so much. And yes, please subscribe the video so that from time to time I can introduce some good things which I have really experienced and which I should share with you all guys. Thank you guys. Have a great evening, have a great day, have a great night, have a great morning. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please like or dislike. Put your valuable thoughts, opinion in the comment box. Share on Facebook, WhatsApp, Google Plus, and where you want to, so that your friends, your colleagues, your batchmates or your relatives, they can also watch the same video and they can get benefited. And anything you want to add, then please go to our Facebook page, Ambitious India, and put your valuable comment there. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe our channel, because that will give you a reminder when you subscribe the channel. Please also click on the bell icon. That helps you to remind you whenever we upload any new video. Thank you so much once again. We love you a lot. God bless you.